This is Roshan Kumar Sabat. Hope you all are well. Like our previous video, we back again with our new video focusing on the various versions of Microsoft Office and the prices of Microsoft Office. Let's start the second session of this. Keep watching this video. Before moving forward, please click the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get the notification of our latest updates. Now, the Saurabh will tell you about the versions and the price of Microsoft Office. Over to you, Saurabh.
Through it. What changes were done in the Excel? It was started in again 1985. It is mainly used for computing purpose, doing the graphs and stuff. So it was the DOS version of it. So it's not well. They haven't worked much in the UI and UX part, but they had the graphics version and all. Now you can see a lot of changes as compared to these versions. 2000 was something. We still use 2003 version in many of the PCs. 2001 was not so much famous. Yeah, Excel 2003. So after 2003, they launched 2007. This one. So here there are a lot of 3D graphs you can make and a lot of templates you can use. Online integration was done. 2008 was again a failed one. 2010 was good again. Coming up next to 2013, this one. So a lot of UI UX improvement was done in this one. 2016 and then finally 2019 version of the Excel. So in 2019 version and 16 version, you can find a lot of templates and you can just get started with it and use various graphical picture to represent your data. That's it. So let's move to the again the slightly history part. This you can see here. This is a graph. This is from Wikipedia itself, and it shows all those versions that were launched. Here you can see. This is the red one is the Office for Windows. It was started around 1990s, and the various versions were launched. And then these are the Service Pack 2 versions launched, and then 2016, 19, and now 365 versions are used. Now let's dive into the pricing part of it. As you can see the screen right now, this is the official page where you can use to buy your product also. Nowadays, anyone is using the cracked version of it, but these are definitely not legal. So 365 version was mainly focused on the enterprise side of it, like a lot of different things were added, like the drive space were provided. You can see here 1 TB cloud storage was given for one person, for 3 users, 5 users. We also have these things. You can also use this in PC, Mac, iOS version, Android versions. So a lot of benefits were added in this 365 version. This is the latest version, launched just with the 2019 version of it. The same features are almost the same, but it's just like the online features is really good, and the syncing part really worked here because like a lot of people moved into the cloud, and a lot of people wanted that if I work here, then definitely things will be synced online. So here Microsoft 365 played a vital role. These are the premium value options available with it, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint are the common one. Then we can find OneNote, Outlook, OneDrive, drive space is provided, and Skype. The pricing, as you see here in the first I have shown, it's around 4,900 rupees per year basis, or you can also pay just 489. It's like 20% discount or something if you take it yearly basis, right? So next you can browse here in the product section. You can go for the family version. I think this will be costing slightly more, but you can use 5 to 6 users in the same ID if you buy. See, it's 6,200 rupees per year, or else 619. So definitely around 20% off if you take the yearly version up to 6 people. So one ID if you can buy, then definitely 6 people will be using it. So definitely it's a decent deal, like 1,020 rupees or 30 rupees per person. It will be costing with 1 TB cloud per person will be given. So 1 TB is a really high thing. Like you don't need so much of things in this document Excel kind of things. You can maximum get Excel file of around 10 rupees, or sorry, 10 MB or 15 MB max. So even if you have like 10 GB or something, that will be really good for you. These are the things you can explore. Extra thing you can do with the subscription. Okay, yeah, you can get the customer support here. You can get the security protection in OneDrive and Outlook, and also there is a 1 month free version available everywhere. And yeah, that is it. And we also have for individual and student version of it. Student version is generally cheaper. The new PC, if you buy with MS Microsoft Windows 10, then they provide 1 year student subscription, I guess. Yeah. So if you buy this one, then it's again for one person, the same price is there. Let's check the student version of it. The student version of the 365, it's good for education, and it's free if you have a school email version. Only if you have registered, your school have registered and asked for the permission, then you can have it. You have a lot of extra things added here. Like these are the regular things: Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote. Teams is added. Version of Teams, premium version you can access. Then the publisher, then access, and you can use all these things. You can use these stream flow forms. Sway also. Sway also, it was acquired by Microsoft a few years back. Then you have the school data sync, like your all the documents will be stored here. Power apps, booking, Power BI, everything will be included in this one if you get this version of it. All right. So let's see any other things we have for educators as well. We have for IT professionals. So there are a lot of customized versions that Microsoft is providing. You can also get it for free if you can just mail them and tell about your organization or thing. If you run any NGO, also they do have a couple of subscription they can provide you as well. Yeah, so I think that's the only thing. Yes, I guess we have covered everything. If you want to really buy it, you can go ahead with Amazon, or directly you can buy from Microsoft, no issues. Um, but yeah, the right version is anyway available, and a lot of people have actually used it. You can watch the YouTube tutorials to get how exactly you can get it, and that's it, I guess. So just keep exploring and learn as much as you can. So in especially in the Excel and Word, PPT, these are really important things that will be you must learn as a student or even as a professional, because this will be helpful to you in all your future endeavors. Especially, in Excel is really beneficial because it makes your life easier wherever you go. It's not that we don't use Excel in any of the companies. Definitely, some it's used for variety of purposes. So if you find time, you can just go ahead and learn various things and try it out. If you try it out, then you can easily learn it. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.
For watching this video. Please click on the like button and subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get the notification of our latest update. Watching this video, please click on the like button and subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get the notification of our latest update.